客家风情。
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在让我们来收听精彩的客家音乐创作。
Hi everyone, it's time for another Hakka song here on ICRT, and this month we're going to feature夏以儷and some of her beautiful hits, like this one called Westlake Flower Romance, or in Hakka, 西湖花爱恋. Now, it's a love story between her great-grandparents, because back in the days, they would often take walks under a pomelo tree by the West Lake in苗栗and lived a happy life together. But later, her great-grandfather had to return to Japan to the army and was separated from his wife, and so whenever she missed her husband, she would take a walk by the West Lake and try to remember him. Let's take a listen.
给爱情离开以后要大笔默默改变，敢怕担心爱情已给下边，冲动已给世界就未來也遺憾，感覺從你一路霹靂愛給身邊，以為法律律落地愛心田，的你給偏有夢，以為法相依，你給愛情天幸福法愛戀，但你疼求年前年，給安掉평永冇轉變。耶穌啊，要本愛衝動以來，以為發了地，生紅冇離開，將這本已發生給愛情。
这是一首非常浪漫，由夏以儷所演唱的《西湖花爱恋》西湖花爱恋，里面是来记录夏以儷曾祖父母的恋爱故事。因为曾祖父是一名日本军官，在日治时期的时候来到台湾，和曾祖母相恋并结婚。两位呢常常会在苗栗的西湖的西边的柚子花树下来散步哦。而曾祖父呢后来随军队返回日本，与曾祖母分隔两地啊，所以这个曾祖母常常想念丈夫的时候呢，便会到西湖的西边来散步，来想象他陪伴着他，好浪漫。I love it how this song uses a retro style to bring out all those memories and romantic times. Well, I really hope you enjoyed that song by 夏以儷. Again, it's called 西湖花爱恋西湖花爱恋. Another Hakka song on ICRT. I'm Joseph Lin. See you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.